So today we are going to start the numerical problems for the chapter motion. Okay. Numerical problems. So before going to start numerical problems, you should know a few points. Number one, if an object moves from rest, if an object moves from rest, its initial velocity u will be zero. Second point, note down, if an object comes into rest, its final velocity v will be zero. Okay. Then third point, you see. Third point, if an object is moving, with a uniform velocity, its acceleration is a equal to 0. So all of you should know these 3 points before going to start the numerical problems, which are based on the motion. First, if an object moves from rest, its initial velocity u will be 0. Then if an object comes into rest, its final velocity v will be 0. And third, if an object is moving with a uniform velocity, its acceleration a equal to 0. So all of you note down these points. Now I'll go to solve some problems which are arises from the chapter motion. Okay. So first you write down the first problem. Question. Write down, a car attains a speed of 10 meters per second in 10 seconds. starting from rest. Starting from rest. Calculate the acceleration of the car. So how we will solve the problem? First you have to find out what data are given in the question. So you see, given first initial velocity. Initial velocity u is equal to 0, because in the question it is given that starting from rest. That's why initial velocity is equal to 0. Then final velocity v is equal to what is given, 10 meter per second. You see, 10 meter per second. Okay, and time is also given. Time t is equal to, it is given how much, 10 seconds. Now we have to find out what acceleration. Acceleration a is equal to what? So note down up to here. And from here, note down here, from here. Okay, so acceleration a is equal to what? So we know the equation based on the relationship u, v, t and a. So that is the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. Okay, now you put the value v for v is given 10, u is equal to 0, plus a we have to find out, and t is given 10 seconds. Okay, then what we will get, 10 is equal to 10 a, or a is equal to 10 by 10. What we will get, 1 meter per second square. So this will be the answer. Answer is equal to 1 meter per second square. In this way we have to solve the problems. First we have to check the question, what data are given, whether the question whether in the question it is given that is starting from rest, or whether it is given it comes at rest. Then we will find out the value of u and v. If the question is given starting from rest, then initial velocity u will be 0, and if in the question it is given comes to rest, then final velocity v will be 0. So in this way we have to solve some more problems. So today I stop here. In the next class I will do some more problems. Okay, thank you.